Hey guys, this is Dipankar back with another video, and today I have POCO F1 by Xiaomi's new sub-brand POCO. POCO F1 with the Snapdragon 845 and liquid cooling starts at Rs 21,000. That makes the phone unique in this segment. This is the cheapest phone with best processor available, 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. Before I talk more about the specifications, have a look on the build. No glass back or metal construction, you are getting a polycarbonate build with bunch of color options. Front is full display with notch houses front camera, IR sensor, earpiece and proximity sensor. Right side has volume rocker and power button. The left side has SIM card tray that houses hybrid slot. Top side has headphone jack and base side has USB Type-C port and a speaker. At the back it has dual camera setup along with fingerprint sensor aligned vertically and dual color LED flash at the right of it. Build quality is great, but it doesn't look premium due to polycarbonate build. It is 8.8mm thick and the weight of the phone is 182 grams. The POCO F1 features 6.18 inches large Full HD Plus display protected with Gorilla Glass. It has a notch that you can also hide if you don't like it. Display looks good, viewing angles are fine and outdoor performance is also good. The phone runs on MIUI 9 based on Android 8.1 Oreo with POCO Launcher. The POCO Launcher offers a totally different experience than you get in MIUI. It has an app drawer with smart search, app categories and a quick way to access hidden apps. UI features are same that you see in MIUI. The phone packs octa-core Snapdragon 845 with liquid cooling technology. You also have 6GB and 8GB RAM options, so you have the best configuration available for high-end performance. With liquid cool technology, the processor will keep its peak performance and high frequency output, so you can have long gaming sessions without thinking about overheating. You have 64GB, 128GB and 256GB storage models, and you can also expand the storage up to 256GB. The phone features a dual camera setup with 12 megapixels primary and 5 megapixel secondary sensor. It also has dual pixel autofocus, portrait mode and EIS for video shooting. At the front, it has 20 megapixels front camera with portrait mode and AI Beautify. I did not get much time to check the camera thoroughly, but I captured few shots and all the shots were really good. But I don't want to comment on camera performance without checking it properly. The phone features IR face unlock that is more secure than software-based face unlock you see in many other phones including OnePlus phones. It even works fast in low light. You also have a fingerprint sensor located on the back. The phone comes with dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS and USB Type-C connectivity options. It packs 4000 mAh battery with Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging. POCO will also be offering 8-watt charger within the box. For the starting price of Rs 21,000, POCO F1 is a very powerful phone to have. The phone is powerful, offers good camera and packs large battery. With this kind of aggressive pricing, Xiaomi has already killed the competition. There is no other phone in this price segment that can compete with the performance of POCO F1. So I'm sure this phone will go out of stock faster than other Xiaomi phones. What do you guys think about POCO F1? Let me know your views in the comment. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.